Good morning, dear students. I hope all of you are well. I am also well. You know, now we are passing a very critical time for COVID-19, and all types of our classroom activities are being hampered. Considering this, our government has taken a pragmatic step to help the students carry their studies. As a part of it, we are trying our best to represent our teaching. Today, I am going to discuss tense, especially for the student of class 7. Dear students, today I am going to discuss about tense. And before going to discussion, I want to introduce myself to you. I am Muhammad Abdul Qadir, assistant teacher, Jabubia High School, North Dinajpur. Dear students, now let's move to the blackboard. Tense. The word tense is derived from a Latin word tempus, which means time. Tense is derived from a Latin word tempus, which means time. Tense indicates time of action, event, or condition by sending it forward. Before starting the discussion of tense, I would like to give you the definition of verb. Verb is a word that expresses being, doing, or having something. Verb is a word which expresses being, doing, or having something. Dear learners, try to understand the definition of verb. Verb is a part of sentence. It is called the soul of a sentence. And the definition of verb is that verb is a word which expresses being, doing, or having something. And tense is the form of verb. Tense is the form of verb which expresses a time of action, event, or condition by changing the form of verb. And there are three types of tenses mainly, and they are present tense, past tense, and future tense. Tense indicates the time of action, event, or condition by changing the form of verbs. And there are three types of tenses mainly, and they are present tense, past tense, and future tense. Dear students, present tense indicates the indicates present time. Past tense indicates past time, the action of past. Future tense indicates the action of past, a future action. Present tense indicates the action of present time. Past tense indicates the action of past time and future tense indicates the action of future time. And all the three types of tenses are divided into four categories. They are indefinite, continuous, perfect, perfect continuous. The learners present tense is in four types. Past tense is also the four types and future tense is also the four types, or each of the tenses are in four categories where indefinite, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. If I say present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect and present perfect continuous, in this way I can say past indefinite, past continuous, past perfect and past perfect continuous. And in the same way I can say future indefinite, future continuous, future perfect and future perfect continuous. Dear learners, I hope all of you have understood what is verb, what is tense, and how many kinds of tenses are there, mainly in English, and how many types of present tense, past tense, and future tense, and the number of total tenses. You have understood that there are 12 categories of tenses in total. Dear learners, I would like to describe present perfect tense, especially for the students of class 7 today. And now let's move to our discussion. Present perfect tense, you know, present means the happening of present time. Perfect means completed. So, in this tense, we will learn that the action has been completed, but the result is present. In this situation, we use present perfect tense. The definition will be that present tense is the tense which expresses the time of action which has been completed, but the result is present. In this case, we use present perfect tense, such as I have visited the Taj Mahal of Agra. By saying or writing the sentence, I can make you understand that I have completed my visit to the Taj Mahal of Agra, but the memories are still in my mind. I can still describe what I have visited, what I have seen there. So, present perfect tense reminds us that it is a tense which expresses action of past which has become the part of our experience, or action of event, recently completed action or action of past which has become the part of experience. Here, the action has been completed, but the result is present. In this sentence, I have tried my best to make you understand that I have visited the Taj Mahal of Agra. Here, I have completed my visit, but the memory is still in my mind. I can still describe what I have seen, what I have visited, what I have learned by visiting the Taj Mahal of Agra. So, this is present perfect tense. The action has been completed, but the result is present. Dear learners, here I can give you another example here. Recently, I have lost my keys of motorbike and I am looking for it. I have lost my keys of my motorbike and I am still looking for my keys, and I have not yet found it. I have lost my keys. The action has been completed, but the result is present that I have not yet found it. So this is present perfect tense. That present perfect tense is the tense which expresses the time of action which has been completed in the past or recently. It has been completed, but the result is present. Now, dear students, let's move to the pattern, the structure of the sentence of present perfect tense. If the sentence is affirmative, the structure will be subject plus have or has plus maybe three. Just full stop. If the sentence is affirmative. If the sentence is negative, the structure will be subject plus have or has plus not plus 23. Then just full stop. If the sentence is interrogative, the structure will be have or has plus subject plus 23. Then just question interrogative sign. If the sentence is interrogative, the structure will be have or has plus subject plus not plus 23. There's note of interrogation sign. This is the general structure of present perfect tense. And you can ask me why we can use have or has. If the subject is third person singular number, we will third person singular number we will use has. In other cases, we will use have. Well, learners, thank you very much for staying with me, and I hope you will contact with my online class in the next time. Till then, Allah Hafiz.